Hello everyone, how are you today? Hope everyone's doing fine. Today we're going to attempt to put up this Cashapp quick set doorknob purchased at Home Depot. We're going to attempt to put it up on this door. So this is what we're working on today. What you're going to need for this project is a Phillips head screwdriver. Okay, and then we're just going to pull this out. And what I'm going to attempt to do, I don't want to use that whole thing. I'm going to see if I can keep this in and just use the doorknob part. Just this part. Okay? Okay, so we see that's not going to work, so I'm going to have to put the whole piece in. Oh, you also get keys to go with it.
That'll get locked out.
We'll take this piece, we're going to swap it out. Okay, we took that out. We're going to put this in here. Okay, just screw it back in. This is easy. I hope y'all can see what I'm doing because it is kind of dark, you know. I got to get me some power tools. Because manually, I tell you, manually, boy. Sorry about the lighting, guys. It's not bright, but I'm trying. Okay. And there we go with that. That piece is in. Now we got the doorknob thing here. So this piece here, I'm going to stick right through this hole right there. Okay? Okay, that's on there. Okay. It's on there. Woo! Now we're gonna hook the other side up. See this piece here? We gotta get this little piece here. Let me see. This little piece here gotta fit into this hole here. So let's see what we can do.
Infestation of bugs because it's too cold in the house.
Okay, there we go. Damn, did y'all see that? Looked like the damn knob moved. Oh, y'all didn't see it. The doorknob is on there. Let's get these screws back in here. Just gonna screw it back in. doorknob. Get that doorknob. Ain't take me no time. Look at that, y'all. Now we're gonna put part 2 on. First we gotta take it off. Same thing, just unscrewing it. Take out your 2 screws. So when you take everything out, this is what you got. Hold. Alright? Oh boy. Slide it in there. Get your pieces out. Okay. Put our screws in. Now let's see if our shit work first. Oops. Let's see if our stuff work first, y'all. Stick it. Stick it. So stick it through this hole here. That little teeny hole right there. You gotta make sure, cause one end is rounded. Gotta round. This end is straight. This end is round. So you gotta make sure you line it up correctly in this hole right here. Right there. This end is round and this end is the flat end. Then you just stick it on in there like that. Stick it on in the hole. Just like that. So now we're going to do the other side. Come on around. Let me bring you on around. Okay, this end is the same way. You see the little round part is that end to the right, and the flat straight line part is to the left. See? So then you gotta add it up, edge it up, line it up with this one here. Okay. And we're in there, guys. See? We're in there. Now we're just gonna screw it in. Stick the screws in. Put the screws in here. Damn. Then you gotta make sure the screws lined up also with the holes on the other. With the holes on the other side. See the screws, I gotta line them up to the holes on the other side.
I think it did. You just don't listen.
Shh.
You don't want to hear credit reports, do you?
Some not right at the bottom.
It's not like that.
Lock. Unlock. Lock. Unlock. Okay. But this top one acting funny. This top one acting stank. I can lock it manually, but I can't get that sucker to lock with the key. Oh. No, it's still not doing it. It's turning, but why the hell it ain't locking? You know what I mean? I don't know what's going on, y'all. I can lock it like this, so why I won't do it with the damn key? New doorknob.